How to enable developer mode on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable developer mode on your iPhone. But first, let us understand what developer mode is. Now, developer mode was introduced in iOS 16 and later, and now everyone can use developer mode. Not everyone, but most of them. But let us understand what developer mode is. Now, developer mode is a set of features on iPhones that allow users to run apps that are still in development. They can access logs, run debugging sessions, and test application on their own devices. So they can basically give feedback to people who are developing different features. So yeah, that is what basically developer mode is. Now to enable that, what we'll need to do is we'll need to go to our settings. Now, after you're on your settings, you'll need to scroll down and navigate to emergent privacy and security. After you're there, scroll down all the way. Now, after you scroll down all the way, you will see something like this. Developer mode under security. Just tap on developer mode and then enable it. After you do that, you will need to restart your iPhone, and after you do so, your iPhone will have the developer mode in it and you can use it. Now, if you do not have the developer mode option, like I did not in mine, as you can see right here, it is because your iPhone is a public version and you will not have this feature. You can enable this feature using a software called TenorShare. You can try that out, but it is a paid software. So yeah, that is basically it. So that is all for this video. That is how you enable iPhone developer mode. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more.